Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the phone management, and right now you can optimize your device by just tapping this optimize button right here. As you can see, the device is optimizing the performance. Here we've got the results. For example, the battery performance is optimized. Now let's tap done. And here you can also choose cleanup to clean some memory. The device is looking for something that could be easily stopped and cleared. You can just tap clean right here. You can also use some deep clean. For example, you can uninstall some unused app or check for unneeded photos, but for now it should speed up your device, just the simple cleaning. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.